Hey, what's going on, everyone? And hello to the InfiniteRipz Legion. Uh, just want to say thank you all to everybody who has subscribed. I finally reached 100 subscribers. So, as a little thank you to you guys, I got these two tins here. So this is the Ascended Heroes tins. It was mini tin. It will come with 2 packs of Ascended Heroes. And this is the Limonous City 10, I believe that's how you pronounce it. Will come with a pack of Perfect Order and Chaos Rising. So these two will be included in the giveaway. There'll be one that will be chosen at random. Well, alright, so before we continue, this is going to be the same type of tin, but this one has a different Pokemon on it. We're going to go ahead and open this up so you guys can kind of see what's inside. Might as well rip a pack on this episode too. So here goes one of the tins. This is going to be the other tin, not the Ascended Heroes tin. This is a card. And we get Perfect Order and Chaos.
Infinite bangers never stop. Veteran strong, on pride, Minnesota home. Hands up, that's up. Time pop. Hands up, that's up. Time pop. Hands up, that's up. Time pop.
Wow, we did not get anything from this tin. That is crazy. What the heck? Not even an EX? Well, unfortunately, we did not get anything good in that little mini tin. Hopefully these two tins will be better luck for you guys. Yeah, so in order to get entered, you guys, just like, follow, and comment down below on this video right here, either 100 strong or thank you. How to get entered are in the descriptions below also of this video. And how to get to the links of my other channels is also in the description. You just gotta scroll down to the transcripts of the description part of the video, and I'll give you the links to the Facebook and the Instagram. And you get an additional entry for following on Facebook and Instagram and commenting on a post that I'm gonna make for also this giveaway. Yeah, same thing, just do 100 strong or thank you to those also. But the only difference will be is if you tag somebody in Facebook, you get an additional entry. So, but you could tag multiple people, but you only get one additional entry. And then for the winners, whoever wins the tins, we're gonna have to be able to message through either Facebook or Instagram to set something up for either delivery, shipping, or pickup, local pickup here in Minnesota. And for those of you guys who are in or out of state or out of the US, you guys will just be getting the cash value of the products, which is about 50 bucks. So good luck to everybody, and thanks again for subscribing and following along on my journey here on InfiniteRipz. And hopefully you guys been enjoying the videos, and you guys can also let me know down below in the comments on what I can improve on and what you guys would like to see more of me doing, or vending videos, or more ripping videos, or just product reviews and stuff like that. So I will be making a little bit more videos here from the vending shows and my experiences here soon. I just wanted to do this little giveaway real quick since I hit 100 subscribers. So appreciate you guys. Thank you guys all for following along and joining me.